you. So cute. You're so cute. Colby. Colby. Hey, sweetie. You guys are so cute, but you guys need to fight again. I said they're so cute, but they need to fight again because they're all cutesies. It is cute. You know it's cute when they fight. Belly rub, 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 belly rub. Oh, yo, doggy. Let's go at it, go at it. Go at it, doggies. Fight. Ah. What if I run around? Think if I run around? I see you, doggy. I see you. I see you too. I see you too. Hey, so cute. That's right. That's right. Yeah. You want this? You want this? You want to go get it? Go get it. Bring it back. Give it to me. Yeah. Come here, puppy. Come here. I'm gonna come get you. I'm gonna come get you. Don't you go through between those furniture pieces. Come here. Come here. You cheating, doggy. You cheating. You cheating, doggy. You are cheating. Where did you go? Where did he go? Is he back in there? Oh, he's cheating. I see you. Did you hear my knee pop?
Yeah, what's that?
That's gross. Yeah, that's my knee. Look at you. Come here, sweetie. Come here. Come here. I know. You're so cute. And then you chewing on your toy. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Up again. Up. Up. Come here. Come here. Come here. You can have it. There you go. I'm just kidding. I want to take it back. I take it back from you. You want it? Up. Jump. Up. There you go. Good doggy. Good doggy. Okay. Good job. Go get it. Go get it. He's so cute. Come here. Come here. You want me to get you? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh. Oh snap. Come here. Come here. Come here. You hide. Abby. Look at you. You're so cute. Come here. Come here. You guys, you're so cute with your little tongue. Come here. Come here, sweetie. Yeah. Yeah. Come here, sweetie. Come here, Colby. Or Abby, you know, whatever. Let's fix this. Come here. Come here. Got you. Fight. Or not. Are you guys done? Are you guys done? Because this is a... baby. It is hot in here. Hey, Abby, you're so cute as you are. I only am because my hair. I only am because my hair's being annoying when I was sitting there reading. Abby! Abby, you're so cute! I'm jealous. Jealous of your cuteness. Yes, I am. Yes. You're so cute. I know. You're going to sit there and be adorable. There's Abby over there chewing on a... Kobe. Kobe over there chewing on a... whatever he's chewing on. What is he chewing on, by the way? Look at that cute little face. Look at you. So cute. Doggy, so cute. Yes, you are. So cute. Hey, Mima. You look stupid. No, I'm just kidding. I love you. Okay, I'm just kidding. Hey, Kobe. Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? Portrait shot. Look at you. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're just so cute. Don't leave me. What are you doing? What you gonna do if I take this? What you gonna do? What you gonna do if I take this? Ah! Don't bite me. Come here. Come on. Bring it back to me. Don't run away from me. I see you. And I'm filming the doggies. Come here. No, I'm not. I'm filming doggies. Come here, Colby. Colby, you're being mean to me. Whoops. Hey, Papa. Come here, Abby. Abby, I see you back there. Colby! Ah. Oh, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Hey, baby. Sit. No, stop. No, stop. Sit.
Yeah, I'm putting them up in the cabinet, okay?
Hey. You're cheating, doggy.
Don't you forget now.
You're cheating.
You got Ron selling them, honey.
You can't hide behind his legs, okay? That's cheating.
Huh? If you don't, call his
Come
house
here.
and get it.
Come here, doggy. Come here. Look at you. You're so cute. I'm gonna follow you. Hey, Abby. Hey, Colby. Hey, you guys. Hi. Oh, snap. It's college humor. What are you chewing on? Hey, sweetie. What are you guys doing? What are you eating? Oh, look. Dog butt. Oh, look at that tail. Look at the tail. Do you see the tail? Oh, it's getting feisty.